Check out these paper shapers. All right, so
So yeah, they cut that.
these scissors, let's see, what do? They make
Kinda
different
cool.
cuts?
Kind of cool for making things or cars or
What are they called?
paper shapes.
Paper shapes.
Paper shapers. So the idea is
Oh, look, they show you what design
Yes,
on
exactly.
the backs. And so
That's what
these
I'm
are all
saying.
the different designs.
so they all work fine. So I would keep them just because they're
I
different.
mean, what would you use them for?
Well, if you were making a card or even cutting out gift wrap paper,
Oh,
using these
yeah.
instead. You know, the
Maybe
idea
for
is
Christmas
cool.
present. What's this one do? I didn't get to
did
see
them
that
all.
one.
Didn't I do them all?
Try that one. I don't know about that one.
did
That
this
looks
one.
just like a rip.
Yeah, this one.
This
Yeah.
one looks pretty cool, though. All right. So that's what those do. How many are there? How many we got?
How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Ow. I think I just cut that. All right, so if you like to make your own cards and different types of paper cutouts, you can try these. Okay, so if you look here, this one says scallops, so it cuts it like scallops. This one says ridge, so you get a ridge. This one says castle, so apparently that's a castle. This one says color balk. I'm not sure what that means. This is the name of the company, Paper Shapers. And that is the design that one cuts. And this one's the Heritage. That's what that one does. And this one's the Wavelet, looks like a wave. And this one is the Legacy. And this one is the Royale. So they all have different names and different designs that they cut, and then you have to decide which one. This one I don't think came with this because it looks different. So maybe this was a one that was purchased separately, but these are the ones here that came with this set. So if you're a crafts person, I would highly recommend getting these, especially if you make your own cards and you do all kinds of different little projects. These things are fantastic, and they're called Paper Shapers. Yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.